Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another video, and in this video we want to talk about today about audio. Here on Crypto Bubbles you can see audio is one of the biggest gainers today with 7.4% gain, so reason enough to check out audio more in detail. It's right now trading at $1.31. So let's check out audio. Let's start here on the daily chart. On the daily you can see actually it's audio found here a bottom in June last year, pumped once, pumped twice, but couldn't hold this level and fall back again to this level here at 0.63. That is actually the level it has here in June last year. So from this point it started again to pump, but again failed at this level. Here it failed and again couldn't hold this level. It failed again at this level. So that is actually right now not pretty good, because it's making lower highs, actually lower lows. Right now here you can see a little uptrend, but this uptrend really has to hold. So like this. This one has to hold. If audio will break this support level, then I really expect that it will come down back to this level at 0.8 or also to 0.6. That is actually pretty likely. Here on the short term, if you do a Fibonacci retracement level, actually the target would be here at 1.5. So this could lead into a pump of 17%, but as I told you, this one has to hold. But if you look at the bigger picture, you can see it had here last year, February to March, the first parabolic uptrend, and it is a good question if audio really can go back to this all-time high. So that would mean a pump of 275%. Is this possible? Well, I guess it's not easy, but it is of course possible, because audio tried it here once, twice, a third time. So of course it's possible to come back in this area here of around $4 to $5. So guys, write me in the comments, what do you think? Is it a possible scenario? What do you think? Can audio really come back to this level? Well, if we do a Fibonacci retracement from the high here to the low point, the golden pocket would be here at around $3.41. I mean, that would be an amazing pump of 150%. Guys, ladies, write me in the comments what do you think, and if you like this content, leave a thumbs up and do me a big favor. I really want to hit as soon as possible more than 200 subscribers. So smash the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Click the notification bell, and we see us in the next video. As always, no financial advice, always do your own research and never trust anybody except yourself because it's your money. Peace out.